Whoa. Oh man, I don't know how to describe how bad that went. Don't panic, I'm an expert. Alright, here we go. Welcome back to this edition of me pretending how to fish and praying someone on YouTube watches it. I was thinking about maybe throwing some kind of moving baits, maybe do some little crankbaits, maybe some we got a chatterbait tied on, 6-cent crankbait, got a swim, maybe topwater. I don't know, but I'm gonna have to figure it out. See you out there. It is not good. This is what we're dealing with, if you can see that. You ready, Dixie Doodle? Get in. Me and Dixie are going fishing. Let's go. There we go. On the bank, into the water. There we go. Oh, got one. Got one, Dixie. Right off the bat. Got one. There it is. Got one. There we go. That's a nice start. I don't know, 1.5, 2 pound bass. Why not? Get a lick, Dixie. Let's get some licks in and we'll let it go. Damn, she hit it hard. There we go. There you go. Whoa! She almost jumped back in the boat. Well, that's a good start, Dixie. Caught one already. Alright. No. Whoa. Do not do that at home, people. That was awful. I'm absolutely soaked. Oh, Dixie, that was terrible. Oh, Dixie, we took a bath. That is not good. Well, that was awful, Dixie. Oh, Dixie. Oh, that was not fun, Dixie. What were we doing? Oh, that was dumb. That was so stupid, Dixie. Oh, I got one, Dixie. Finally. Got a nice one. Oh, we got a good one, Dixie. We're hooked up with a nice one. There we go. There we go. Finally got us a good one, Dixie. Whew. Didn't know if we were gonna get us a good one today. Oh yes, hold on. Here, let me get her. All right. Whew. We got something to show for it. Taking a bath like that, Dixie. Yes. Yes. Oh, look at that. That's a nice one. There you go, Dixie. There you go, girl. Get you a good lick. Finally. Been a rough day. Oh man, took a bath, haven't caught much until now. That's a good one. All right, Dixie Doodle, let's see if we can catch another one real quick. Got one. Got a good one. Well, maybe not. It's all right. It's not big, but get up here. All right, I'll take it. It's all right. It's putting up a good fight, that's for sure. That's a nice one. All right, another good one. Not as big as the last one, but not bad at all. This thing put up a heck of a fight. Get your licks in, Dixie Doodle. Oh, I got one. Oh, it came off. No. Oh, I knew there was one back there. Well, I'd like to have a few casts in there, but this wind is just not going to let me do it. Shoot. Dixie, we need to hire a driver. Somebody to drive the boat. Days like this. You could do it, Dixie. Go. No! Shoot. Am I stuck in my own propeller? That is just great. Oh, it's in there too. Awesome. Let's throw the old jig around. Well. Oh, I got one, Dixie. Got one. Oh, a good one. Dixie, are you crazy? Oh my gosh, Dixie, we both got wet today, and we got a fish on. What were you doing, Dixie? It's a good one. Dixie. Oh my goodness, Dixie. What a day. All right, well, look at this. Ow. Look at this one, Dixie. Another nice one. I don't know if we live to tell about it. Jeez. I think we're just going to be happy to survive this trip, Dixie. My goodness. Another nice one. It's 3 good ones. I don't know if it was worth the trouble or not. All right, we are home, Dixie. Oh, Dixie. Come on. Let's go dry off. What a day, Dixie. We caught a few big fish. We both almost died. We did learn some things today. I'm just glad me and Dixie survived. If you didn't fully understand what happened, I got snagged on a dock because the wind was blowing. It's like hurricane force winds. I mean, it was terrible. So I didn't want to break it off. So I motor over there, unsnag it from the dock, and somehow I end up at an awkward angle, and I took a bath. I don't know, but I stuck it out. I could have just called it a day right then and there. I didn't. I kept thinking, you know what? Burt Reynolds wouldn't quit, and neither am I. So I didn't. I stuck it out. I caught a few fish. I didn't catch a lot of fish today, but I did stick it out and I caught a few fish. I did have to cut the trip short because I got a little chilly. Temperatures were not great. I mean, I think it was like in the mid 50s today, so not my best day on the water, but hopefully next time will be better. See you then.
Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Bye!